Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials, and this is the amazing video of our series where we are going to create an icon with a modern trend. So currently there is a trend of a long shadow icon. So it is very costly and it is not easy to made it with simple clicks. So here I had found one solution. So you have to move to a Google and write IC launcher generator. Okay, so after that you will find this first link. So here you have to download, you will able to create a icon with a long shadow. So let me show you, and first let me show you about the copyright issue and creative common license issue, because all the other generators have their own copyrights generator. So here you can see that it is in the open source Android Asset Studio, and here you can generate a launcher icons, action bar icons, notification icons, generic small square icons, simple line icons, and you will also found one epic license. So here I am moving to this, and here you can see that Roman Nurik slash Asset Studio is licensed under the Epic license 2.0. Means here we can write preserve the copyright and license notice. So here you can see that for commercial use it is allowed, modification, distribution, patent use, private use, all things are available, but we cannot use it as a trademark use, liability or warranty. And here is the condition about license and copyright notice. So here we can use these icons, so you can check out this full license. So let us move to how to create a shadow icons. So here there is normal icon. So when you click on see all, so this is 512 by 512 icon, which is necessary for application launch, and then we have some small icons also for small thing. Now when we enable this show grid, then you can able to see the all grids that is available during making of this thing. Then we have a clip art, image, and text function. So when you click on image, you will show this pop up. Then you have to close it if you want, then do with that. Now here we are going to make, let's say, make a design for this boost button. So here I had selected that icon, so you can see that I found that icon. Now to remove this grid, so I had removed that grid. Then here we have two options, don't trim and trim. So this will basically zoom in and zoom out our icon. Then we have one option for padding. So when we increase this padding, our icon will move inside, and you can see that here our icon is moving inside. And when you make it 0 or -12, it will pop up. So here we will make it default as 25. Then we have transparent to use, means which color we want in this icon. So as always I am going to use white color. So here is our white color. Then we have to change its background color if you want. So you have to just write here hex color, or you can choose randomly, or you can make a sliding by here and then here also. So here we are going to use this, or let's say this. Okay, so this is final. Now here we have to make its a version, means which version we want. So first I recommend you to add this both, means circle and square, as Android Studio is required. So here first I am going to generate for square. Then you have to select effect as a cast shadow. So this will add the type of shadow in our icon. So you can see that here is all that icons. So when we complete this icon, then you have to give here name. So here I had written IC launcher. Okay, after we have to download it. So you can see that our zip folder is downloaded. Now we have to move to our uh, after again we have to move to our this shape and generate for circle and name it here underscore round, and then again download that. After downloading that, you can change as many as icon you want. So for instance, I had made for this bookmark, for this splash, then we have refresh, call, uh, call down, call end, then for sent, book, for casting purpose. For instance, you had created a scanner app, so you can add to this icon also, and many more icon you have here, which is available in material design, that will you able to create it. So here is a download icon, and as many icon you want you can generate it. Okay, so this was for about icons. Now let us find about text. So here text I am going to use for 80 means Android tutorials. So make sure you subscribe to our channel to learn more interesting videos. So here I am going to select my font family that I am using for my applications for my channel. So here I have my font family. So I am using currently this. Okay, so I had make that icon. Now let's change its color that we want. So here I am selecting this. Then don't forget to remove to make it this cast shadow. Otherwise, if you make scroll, then it will score, and if you elevate, then it will move up. So we are currently working on this shadow, so you can see that, and just simply download that. So you will able to download all this variant plus this web view also. So now let me apply it into our project. So here is our project, but when we will do it in our project variant, then we will face some issue. So it will not take some time, then it will sync. Otherwise we are going to just open our source where we want. So here is our HD wallpapers in app directory, source, main, res, and here you will find all these variant. Now when you open this opening IC launchers, then you will find all launchers here. So here we have to adjust our screen as per our need. So here is our IC launcher rectangular form and rounded form. Then first we have to delete this any API v6 because it is not necessary now. So here we have deleted that folder. Okay, after in mimap HDPI, you can see that both icon is here, IC launcher and IC launcher round. So here that's why I had given you the name to make it IC launcher. So here we just drag and drop that image and then replace with the file destination, and then same do with the rounded version, sorry, the rectangular version. So you can see that changes will occur. So here you can see that both changes occur. Then we have to move to this res folder in all these things. So here is res and res, and same thing you have to do with mdpi, hdpi, and all that dpis. So here I am just putting these files and replacing all these files. So here you can do this same thing also. So now let's do with xhdpi. So here is our xhdpi folder. So this will be time consuming, so make sure you do this perfectly, else you will find some error. So now we are going to do with XX HDPI. So here double X HDPI, and here also we have to do with same thing. So here we have XDPI. Just replace all these file destinations and make it as you wish. So here one by one I am doing for all. Now XXX DPI. So here is double triple X DPI. So here I drop it, replace the file, and same thing with launcher round. Okay, so when we complete this, then you have to close all that files, and then you have to close this. If you want to close this, then close, otherwise make some other icons also. So here in our project you can see that HD wallpapers. So when we open our map version, then here you can see that change that is occurred in our project. So here you can see that this is low to low resolution, and here is our high resolution, and same thing with rounded variant. So you can check out this. So this was a small tutorial about long shadow icons, and we are going to replace our splash screen icon with this our application icon, so it looks some good. So here we have our layouts, and in that we have to move to our splash screen. So activity main, and here you will find all the code for splash screen. So here is our wallpaper logo, so let it be here only. If you want to change, then do the change, else you can make it simple. So this was small introduction about how to make a long shadow flat icon in Android Studio. Thanks for watching Android tutorials, and please make sure you like and share this tutorial. If you forgot to subscribe our channel, then you can subscribe it and watch our all the others video. You will find the source code when this application will be completed. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.